All right, I probably should have brought you here earlier. I haven't found anything wrong yet. There's no air, but I found a bunch of insulation hanging out, and just like I'm just gonna make things a little bit better. And I put a bunch of full tape on it, and I'm still gonna do more, seal all this up to discourage animals. They can dig right through the plastic. It's not a problem. But if they get a hint that they can get heat or air conditioning, they will go through. All right, so if you're trying to make something mouse proof, forget it. A mouse can go through an area as small as my pinky. They can chew on concrete. They will. Ask anybody that works on the concrete silos along the Mississippi River or anywhere else. They smell that something that they want to get to, they will chew until they get there, and they will work as a team. You just have to get rid of them once they get there. All right. Anyway, I'm here to discourage and encourage the heat and air to stay in this. I don't feel any air at this point, so I'm wondering what it is on the other end and along the way, which I will. They left the old ductwork under here, which makes it difficult, more difficult to get to things. It's kind of lazy. I guess I'll pull it out. Anyway, I will check everything along the way, and I'll let you know when I find something.